Good morning. A few days ago, I asked you to write down 4 names. And I asked you for this whole week to be praying for those names, the names of the people that you wrote down that you know need God, that you know they need to have a relationship with Jesus Christ. And we're praying. We've been praying for them. And I asked you to pray for them and asked that God would give you an opportunity to reach out to them and that God would make a way for them to come to know Him. Have you been praying for these names? Have you been praying for these people? Listen, it's not too late. Begin to pray today for the people that you know need God and need to find Jesus Christ. Invite somebody to come to church with you this week. Invite them to be in the house of the Lord with you. Reach out. Make a difference. Be all that God has called and purposed for you to be. Today I want to encourage you with this. I want you to understand that you can accomplish great things. That God has called you to be successful. Here's the key to success. The key to success we find in the first chapter of Joshua, where he tells Joshua, here's the key. He says, you're taking over. You're going to lead the children of Israel into the promised land. But here's the key to your success, Joshua. Meditate upon my word both day and night. He said, if you will not depart from my word, if you'll stay in my word, if you'll meditate upon my word day and night, you're going to be prosperous and you're going to be a good success. See, if you want to be successful in this life, then meditate upon the Word of God. If you want to successfully reach the people that are in your world, then allow the Word of God to be in you, because whatever is in you is what's going to be coming out of you. Until tomorrow, this is Pastor Allen reminding you that God has a plan and a purpose for your life.